Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
I had submitted a small report to him regarding the last 4.5 years of work that the NDA government has done, and he was very happy to see the kind of progress that has been made, especially when it came to the different self-help group work that we have done, where we have now almost saturated every rural household to be part of a self-help group. So I was telling him that when we started off, we had just about 4,000 groups, and today we have crossed 40,000. We're touching almost 45,000 groups, and same we're doing for farmers, and the same we're doing for the youth. Then he encouraged, let's say, that we should go for a cooperative movement also, and that the ministry that is under him, which is a cooperation ministry, that he'll be coming up with a large number of plans, especially in terms of the agriculture products for Northeast especially. And he shared some of those points, which, as I said, it will not be appropriate for me to share right now because they are still in a planning stage, and they will be completed very soon. But once that happens, then we'll share the whole details.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.